I am Alexander Kahi, Professor of Animal Breeding and Genomics at Egerton University, Department of Animal Science. I am leading the Center of Excellence for Livestock Innovation and Business, CoELIB project, that builds on the existing knowledge and capacity to foster innovation and business-oriented actions. CoELIB contributes to all sectors of the economy, strengthens the innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem, and empowers the youth. Despite numerous efforts being made to address food losses in Kenya, food losses are extremely high. Losses experienced in both dairy and avocado value chains affect producers, distributors, market traders, and intermediaries. There is a need to better understand food loss and waste in both value chains. Bringing together stakeholders, enhancing the institutional capacities of consortium partners under this presents a sustainable model to tackle post-harvest losses and food waste. It is my opinion that the structural reduction of post-harvest losses in the two value chains is attainable through the application of technical solutions and tools, as well as improved chain governance competencies. Given the pressing need for transformative interventions in the avocado and the dairy value chains, I believe that Forqlab's model offers sustainable solutions for value chain actors to mitigate the losses incurred due to inefficiencies in handling, in preservation, quality, regulatory standards, and the institutional capacities of small-scale producers, coordination inadequacies, and inadequacies in best practice implementation. It is expected that the Forqlab's interventions will assist in the structural reduction of food waste and food losses through the application of technical solutions and tools, as well as improved chain governance competencies. The structural reduction in food waste will also be approached through efficient business-to-business partnerships. Food waste reduction in the dairy value chain requires interventions at farm, at collection, and also at processing levels. The project will use different strategic approaches to ensure that sustainable impact is driven across the dairy sector. Such impact will include the dissemination of new knowledge, management competences and applied research on loss reduction, localized practical solutions, market-driven and visible business cases applicable, the implementation of dairy food waste reduction pathways, including ICT and other technologies, all of which also apply to the dairy food chain. The dairy value chain living lab will also be strengthened through increased networking and collaboration and involvement of non-consortium partners in knowledge dissemination through stakeholder meetings and workshops. This will in turn increase the scalability and the sustainability of loss reduction interventions in the dairy value chain. Food losses in the dairy and avocado value chains, they have great impact on both local and national food security status. This is because the losses affect the local availability and affordability of food products. This has a trickle effect on the economic participation of small-scale farmers and smallholder businesses. For both value chains, the research will analyze business models, assess private sector linkages, analyze the avocado and the dairy value chain governance and networks, and look at the relationship between the different parts of the food systems. This information will go a long way in shaping program design so that it may tailor its interventions to best suit small-scale farmers and smallholder businesses. In the long run, the research will help small-scale farmers and smallholder businesses to improve their knowledge, practices, networks, and export performance, and help develop and strengthen the capacity of farmer groups to improve accountability and quality.